Hello fan collectors, I am at my aunt's house and I'm on the computer. You can notice what website I'm on. Found this fan. It's a, here, wait a minute. SMC Royal Flush. Has stencil blades. Reversible to oak. It's bidding at $19.99, and then let's see, 0 bids. I may bid on it. I just have to check with my mom and dad. So yeah, so you can get a good bid. And it's a new in-box fan. And it's actually not in this. It's not in polished brass. It's in yeah, you cannot even see that. My camera's not used to computers, I'm guessing. Obviously. Here, let's try zoom. Okay, there we go. See, that's a check on that one. That's because it's in that box. Anyway, that's it. More videos to come.